Hi everyone, Madeleine Cassie, owner and founder of Sparkle Lifestyle and MediSpa, and today I'm answering all your questions about laser hair removal. So I'm talking about laser hair removal and all the body part, and especially right now about the upper lip, that nice area on your face, that mustache that people don't want to have. Especially women, actually. Men usually it's fine. It's women that we don't like to start having those like darker hair, especially when you talk about someone like really close. You don't want that, or you're in the sun, you see them more. So you want to get rid, but good news, we have like amazing laser here at Sparkle that will take care of that. Facial hair removal usually takes between 4 and 8 treatment, spaced every 4 weeks or as soon as you have any kind of regrowth. Because facial hair are a little bit stubborn, so if you shop around for laser, make sure that they have a true Alexandra if you have like a light skin type, and make sure that you have it in Diag if you're a darker skin type, and I'm talking about like Asian and up. Because those are the safest wavelength for your skin type, because the last thing you want is us removing your hair but then you get like hyperpigmentation, especially in the upper lip, because you had the wrong type of laser for your skin type. So you need to be really aware of that. Another thing you need to be aware when it comes to facial hair removal is that laser are really attracted to the sun, and they make your skin super sensitive to the sun. So if you're exposed to the sun, you can have like a risk of hyperpigmentation. So you seriously need to stay away from the sun 2 to 4 weeks prior your treatment, and same thing after your treatment, because that will also reduce the risk of hyperpigmentation coming from the sun, coming from that sensitive skin. Because that happens. So if you're doing facial, you need to wear sunscreen every single day for as long as you have your treatment done. So you'll have a series of 4 to 8 treatment done in your face, depending on your hair thickness, skin type, and many things. So you need that consultation so we can really kind of give you real expectation coming from laser hair removal. You also need to know that if your hair are actually white or light gray or light blonde, maybe laser is not the best solution for you, because laser are attracted to pigment in your hair follicles. So if you don't have any kind of pigment in your hair, laser will have a hard time getting them. So depending of the pigment in your hair, we may do a test patch or maybe a treatment or 2, but you'll know after 2-3 treatment if this is not working. You'll know right away. You don't need to wait until like 8-12 session. Again, here at Sparkle we're using true lasers, so it's called an Alexandra and Diag, and I know if you're using an IPL, this can be different. You're looking mostly at like 12 session, so it's really different. But here with our laser, that's kind of what you can expect from your treatment. So there's also some kind of maintenance associated to it, because facial hair, it's mostly hormonal, so your body will naturally keep producing new hair. So there's maintenance associated to it. So maybe every 6 months, every year. Some people it can be up to 3-4 years after, but you need to keep in mind that you'll have new hair coming up. So we can usually remove 80% reduction. That's kind of easy. You can sometimes see up to 95. That's really good. But new hair will come up with either medication, pregnancy, just aging in general. So you need to know that. The treatment is not really painful. It's actually really quick. I'll do an upper lip in less than a minute. It's like super quick. It's not that painful either. It's more like a hairband elastic, so it kind of surprises it a little bit. You'll be red for 2 hours to maybe up for 24 hours, but that should be it. And you'll be coming here every 4 week for at least 4 treatment, maybe up to 8 depending. So I hope this answers your question about laser hair removal for upper lip and facial hair in general. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.